The Indigo Mastercard is tailored for people with less than perfect credit who want to start rebuilding their financial reputation. This card stands out because it doesn't need a security deposit. So there's no pile of cash sitting in reserve. It gets right to the point. Monthly payments are reported to all three major credit bureaus, meaning if payments are made on time, it can help improve a credit score and make future borrowing easier. Indigo also offers peace of mind with Mastercard's standard zero liability protection, plus ID theft monitoring, and you can pre-qualify without impacting your credit score, which helps take some of the anxiety out of applying. But for all those benefits, the Indigo Mastercard really comes with a lot of weight on the downside. The annual fee hits hard. For the first year, it ranges from $175 to $199 United States dollars, and then drops to $49 United States dollars after that. But even that lower fee feels steep compared to some other cards, especially since the credit limit is usually just $300 United States dollars. So a big chunk of available credit can disappear instantly. The card's APR can reach nearly 36%, so carrying a balance is expensive and adds up quickly. There's also no rewards program, so don't expect to earn cash back or points for making everyday purchases. Many users have voiced frustration with slow customer service, unexpected account closures, and payment processing delays, sometimes leaving them with limited access to their available credit. To sum up, Indigo Mastercard opens a door for those having trouble getting approved elsewhere, but the steep fees and high interest rates make it less appealing in the long run. While it can help with credit building, it's important to remember the risks: costly fees, low limits, and inconsistent service. Anyone considering this card should look closely at their other options, especially secured cards with better terms, before signing up.